Today we are going to make soft rolls. The ingredients for the soft rolls are 250 grams of refined flour, 10 grams of grain sugar, 10 grams of yeast, 10 grams of fat, in this case we are using butter, 5 grams of salt, 1 egg yolk, and approximately 150 ml of water. The equipments that are required are one dough scraper, one measuring jug, and a clean duster which is already washed to cover your dough. Put the flour on a clean tabletop. Make a well. Add sugar, yeast, egg yolk, start adding little water in the center. And start incorporating the water into the flour. Keep on adding little by little water. Make a nice soft dough. First, ensure that the flour is all binded with the water and then start kneading. Knead with 2 hands. We are kneading to remove any lumps and for the formation of the gluten. Once the dough is kneaded, you will find that the texture is like this. It's formed a nice smooth texture. After that, cream the fat and the salt. In this case, we have butter. Cream it nicely and incorporate it into the dough. How will we know that the fat is incorporated? The dough will stop having a glossy texture. Now if you can see, it's a glossy texture. After the fat is incorporated, it will be a nice smooth texture. You can see the dough is made. And the fat has been incorporated. Now round up your dough. Once the dough is made, round up the dough and cover it with a damp cloth. I'm putting the dough in a tray and cover it with a damp cloth. That's it. Now the bread has proved for 30 to 40 minutes. It has completely proved. We'll knock it back, divide it into 20 portions and put it on a lightly greased bread tray. Take some dusting flour, dust the table. With the help of a dough scraper, pick up the bread, put it upside down, press it slightly. Divide it into 20 portions. Mark first half, 10 from this, 10 from this, half and half. We need 5 from here, 1/5 of the portion, half, half and half. We got 5 portions from here. Similarly, continue doing it for this. Again, 1/5 of the portion, 4 portions from here we need, half, half and half. Now I'm going fast. Once we marked all our portions, cut it with the help of a dough scraper. Round it up on the table or on your hand, whichever you prefer. Once it's rounded up nicely, place it on a greased tray. Now if you see, if you find that the bread is uneven little bit, this is big, this is small, I will cut from the base, round it up again, put it and place this underneath this and round it up again. I'll show it to you once more. This is big, this is small. Cut, round this up, place it here, pick this up on the base, place this here and round it up again. This will first prove for 10 to 20 minutes and then we'll bake it at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. We place them here so that they cool evenly and no condensation happens. That's it.